I always feel like I am cheating OPAY all the time. Because take a look at this. This is for real, guys. I am legit making money using OPAY. And the good news is I am going to teach you how to do so. Okay, so OPAY is an online banking platform that lets you send, receive, save, and most importantly, earn money. Since the purpose of today's video is to talk about how to earn money using OPAY, I'll just stick to that. So first thing you want to do is sign up, which I already did. This is my home page. Okay, so we are just going to go to rewards. Then you see daily bonus here. That means if you sign in every day, you are going to get daily bonus. And we also have 3% cash back on any recharge, be it airtime recharge, data recharge, whatever recharge you want to do. So you get 3% off of it. There is also voucher here. I have 2 voucher currently. Voucher for those that play sporty bets, and we also have invite friends to earn. We are going to touch the 3 aspects before we move to the second chapter of this video. So I'll just come right here to airtime recharge on any network provider. I'm going to use MTN network provider. Okay, so let's say I try to recharge on this number. Okay, so I'll try to recharge 200 naira MTN airtime on this number. I'm just going to verify it with my face ID. So instead of charging me 200 naira for my 200 naira airtime recharge, they charged me 197 naira. That is 3% cash back. Okay, so the next thing we are looking at is the voucher. As you can see, I have 100 naira, I have 200 naira voucher here for sporty bets, and if I log in with my OPAY account, I will get 300 naira daily bonus, and there are a lot of rewards too as long as you deposit with your OPAY account. Okay, so the next aspect we are looking at is how to earn money when you refer someone. It says if you refer one person, you will earn 800 naira and so on. So I'm just going to copy my invitation link. So I'll just paste my invitation link into my notes. So if you want to sign up or create an account, you can just use my invitation link. So I'll be dropping my invitation link in the description, so you can just sign up through that. So your phone number is going to be your account number with the first digits removed from it. So I'm just inputting a random number, and you get paid 1,200 naira if you sign up. Okay, so since we have already spoke about the first section, which covers cashback and all of that, then we are going to talk about the final section, which is making money from your own money. Okay, so as you can see, my total interest is 7,266 naira within 2 months. Okay, we have the wallet section, we have the OWET, we have the target, we have save balls, we have feast, we have spend and save. So I use the feast and the spend and save. So I am going to show you how I earn money using my feast account. So the first thing you want to do is save a total amount of money, like keep it locked for 7 days minimum, and you get a certain interest on it. OPAY will give you 3% of your money just by saving your money in a fixed account. Let me walk you through what my previous fixed savings look like. As you can see, I am able to generate a decent amount of interest for myself. How passive can that be? Just by keeping my money locked in my bank account. Everything total 7,266 naira. Yeah, that is good to me. So the next thing I use is save and spend. That way I am able to save a decent amount of money whenever money comes in or money goes out. I set that myself. You can do that too if you don't want to, if you want to spend wisely. So yeah, those are the ways that OPAY can pay you in 2024. I'm already making money just by using OPAY. If you want to join me, don't forget to use my referral link in the comment section or in the description below. So that way you get to make money too just by using OPAY. I hope you learned something from this video, and I will be on today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.